Hello, friends. My name is Anna. Today, we will have a fun adventure in the forest. We will learn the alphabet with fruits. Every letter has a fruit. Let's walk together, sing together, and collect fruits from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's go.
A is for apple, red, green, or gold. Crunchy and tasty, never gets old. B is for banana, yellow and sweet. Peel it and eat it, what a treat. C is for cherry, tiny and round. Two in a pair on trees they're found. D is for dragon fruit, pink on the skin, white with black seeds hiding within. E is for elderberry, purple and small, juicy and healthy, I love them all. F is for fig, soft and sweet, a chewy snack, a yummy treat. G is for grape, green, purple or red, fresh in my hand or made into bread. H is for honeydew, melon so light, cool and refreshing, such a delight. I is for Indian fig, cactus fruit rare, sweet on the inside with prickles beware. J is for jackfruit, spiky and big, pull it apart for a tasty gig. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and brown, cut it in half, green inside is found. L is for lemon, yellow and bright, sour and tangy, a zesty bite. M is for mango, golden and sweet, soft and juicy, the best summer treat. N is for nectarine, smooth and round, peach-like fruit with a lovely sound. O is for orange, full of sun, peel and eat, it's so much fun. P is for pineapple, tall and green crown, yellow inside, never makes you frown. Q is for quince, yellow and hard, cook it to make a sweet fruit card. R is for raspberry, red and small, soft little berries, I love them all. S is for strawberry, heart-shaped and red, juicy and sweet, more I said. T is for tangerine, orange and sweet, easy to peel, a perfect treat. U is for ugly fruit, funny to see, green and bumpy, still tasty to me. V is for babinga, from far away, tart little fruit for a sunny day. W is for watermelon, big and round, red inside with seeds all around. X is for Echua, in China it grows, like watermelon, everyone knows. Y is for young berry, pink and bright, juicy and fun, a berry delight. Z is for zucchini, long and green, not very sweet, but still to be seen.
Wow, friends, you did it! We went through all the letters from A to Z. You are so smart. Give yourselves a big clap. Clap, clap, clap. I am very proud of you. Next time, we'll go on a wonderful adventure where we'll learn new things and have fun together. Will you join me again? Bye-bye for now. See you soon.